Hello and welcome to Fabits. Today, my friends, we're making sweet potatoes with spicy, crispy, dried chorizo in a calm, slow way just to enjoy the moment. Make yourself comfortable and join me. Hope you will like both the idea and the vibe. This is going to be a pretty much no recipe meal, so release your creativity and sub the fillings you're going to see in this episode with what you find you will enjoy more. Any kind of sweet potatoes are good for this. A good thing to do is choosing potatoes of more or less the same size so that they cook evenly in the same time. We will be baking potatoes, so set the oven to 420 Fahrenheit or 215 Celsius. Thoroughly wash them under the running water and let potatoes drain. Pat dry sweet potatoes with a paper towel. Have your baking tray ready. Always line it with something like a parchment paper or foil, as sweet potatoes can be messy to bake, and pierce each potato with a fork from all the sides. Never skip this step if you want your oven to stay clean. If not pierced, sweet potatoes may explode in your oven because the sugars in them are getting dense when heated and create pressure, which can easily end up in a total mess and leave you with no food. So do yourself a favor, pierce your sweet potatoes before baking. Place pierced potatoes on a baking tray and send it to the oven for 40 minutes. While potatoes bake, prep the stuffing. Finely mince red onions, dice the cornichons into tiny cubes and add them to the sour cream to make the sauce. Finish it with freshly squeezed juice from half a lime, mix and set aside. Cut the jarred red peppers that have been already drained into thin strips and set aside as well. Crush and mince 1 clove of garlic and send it to the pan. Warm it in the olive oil until sizzling, not forgetting to stir constantly, and then take away from the heat before garlic starts changing its color. Cut chorizo rounds in halves, mine have been already sliced, and distribute chorizo in one layer in another baking pan lined with parchment. We need to make chorizo crispy. So bake the slices in the oven together with the potatoes at the same temperature. When there is only 5 minutes left before taking out the sweet potatoes, send the tray with chorizo to the oven and have both ready at the same time. Mince cilantro or parsley and check if potatoes are baked. Insert a skewer, and if it easily goes through, potatoes are ready. If not, hold it in the oven for another 5 to 7 minutes, and then take both potatoes and chorizo out from the oven and let them cool down for a couple of minutes. Cut each potato in the center lengthwise, but don't divide it into halves. All we want is creating a pocket and room for stuffing. Squish from both ends to open the pocket and season with salt. Then drizzle with garlic and oil. Add the sour cream and pickle sauce. Stick the crispy chorizo in the sauce and add red pepper strips. Garnish with minced red onions and cilantro and enjoy! All ingredients I've listed in the description below this video for your convenience, so check them out. If you like this episode, browse our channel for other simple but tasty and impressive recipes, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.